Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm gonna guide you to some car new sales over here and the prices. And not all these cars have the prices, so I'm gonna go through some of them that do, and let's show you what do these GM cars here cost. So the first one that I have here is a Chevy Equinox all-wheel drive. By the way, before I go any further, I'm at the GMC City Buick in Toronto here. And the one that I have in front of me is the Equinox all-wheel drive 2025. Let's see the back. I believe this is the EV vehicle. Beautiful, beautiful wheels. I'm loving this. And let's show you the price. 57 Canadian. See, 57,000. Now keep in mind, you also have to pay tax. So there is a 13% tax on this. I don't see the sunroof, moonroof here, which is kind of weird, but for this price range. But I will say that the interior looks just unbelievable. Loving the leather, just everything is good. And here's the plug. Now let's show you the front. The front looks just wow. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. Very futuristic. I love it. Love the handles. Now the one that I have over here is the Buick Encore. However, I don't have the sticker, so I'm not going to be able to tell you the price. I would say this is the entry-level Buick. Nicely optioned, I believe. Yeah, I see the sunroof, I believe. Yeah. Now in Vista Buick, no sticker as well. I don't see the sticker. So these two I'm gonna pass. However, this one, the Chevy Trax RS, definitely has a sticker. So I'm gonna take you through around here. Nice rear for the base model. No sunroof, pretty much base. And let you see the pricing here. 32,000 Canadian. There you go. Plus tax, so maybe 37, 38. You still get the aluminum wheels, which is very nice. There you go. Let's look at from the side. Really nice vehicle. Pretty base from the front. The headlights look okay. Yeah, it's a pretty nice vehicle, yeah. Let's see. Leather steering wheel, which is nice. It's a nice touch. Now the seats are half cloth, half leather, which is okay. But and if I can go through here and show you what are these 18s, 19s, but they still put Continental tires. There you go, 3124 the year. So new vehicle, pretty much. Now the next one that I'm going to take you through is this one here, the Cadillac CTS. Yeah. You see, this is a beast. Really nice vehicle. 350T, so I believe 3.5 turbo. Beautiful vehicle, beautiful. Okay. Let's see. Oh wow, this thing is nicely loaded. This thing is just a beast. Let's look at the pricing. So 2026 CT5 Sport, okay? So 74 Canadian and 367. So this is the price right here. 74,000. Wow. You see, fully loaded. This thing is a beast. Look at the cameras. I'm in love with this. Beautiful vehicle. Cadillac. Okay, let's look at the front. I purposely came around so I can show you the front. Okay. There you go. Pretty impressive, I would say. Top notch. Now there's another one here. Let's see, what would this be? So the same vehicle, just different color here. This is like a, you know, gray space, you know, really nice. Again, 75,000, 2026. Again, let's see. Yeah, 75,000 Canadian. Keep in mind, you gotta pay tax on this. Yeah. Nothing ordinary like this one, all the same. There you go, side by side. I guess some people would like this color better. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful car. Nicely loaded. And let's take you here, 2025 Suburban. Oh wow. All kind of options here, and look at the prices. 88,750. So 88,750, and there's gonna be tax. So there's gonna be tax on Suburban as well. Beautiful vehicle. Again, I'm at the Chevy Buick Chevy here. Do you see what I'm talking about? Beautiful booty. I'm not too excited about white color, but it is what it is. Okay. Beautiful vehicle. Let's see the front. There's your Suburban side. There you go. The new style headlights and all that. Now right in front of me here, I got the Sierra Duramax, the pickup. So unfortunately, they didn't put the sticker, but I'm not gonna be able to know how much this vehicle is. I'm gonna jot down its description when I put that on their website. That's pretty much that. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful cars. I'm not sure if this is new or old, but I'm impressed. And again, I'm at the City Buick here in Toronto. I'm gonna link down their address, and that's pretty much that. So this is their lineup. If you like anything, come down, help yourself. But that's pretty much that. Like, subscribe, and take care.